Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove the background of an image using the program Gimp. If you'd like to follow along with me today, you can download the same image that I'm using through pixabay.com. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, opening up your browser, go ahead and go to pixabay.com, and in the quick search we're going to type in the word kitten. We're going to be using this second image here that pops up of this lovely kitten. Go ahead and free download. You want to make sure you have the right dimensions, 1837 by 1920. Click download and you can see that the image is downloaded in the bottom left-hand corner of your browser. All right, opening up Gimp. We're going to start a new project by going to File, Open. And you can see that my image of the kitten pops up right there. So I'm going to head and open that. All right, so if you're following along with me, you should now have this image of a kitten opened up as a new project in Gimp. Okay, so in order to delete the background of this image and just have the image of the kitten, the first thing we need to do, and this is the most important step, is we're going to come over here to Layer. We're going to right click on the cat and we're going to add an alpha channel. So again, if you want a transparent background, you must have the alpha channel selected. If it's selected, it will be grayed out once you right click on the cat. Okay. From here, we're going to select the fuzzy select tool, which is this in your tools menu, this wand looking icon. We're going to right click that and we're going to make sure that fuzzy select is selected. And we want to have, before we do anything else, we want to make sure certain modes are activated. So come over here to this TV looking icon. I'm going to make sure the first one is selected, the second one, the feather edges, is selected, and all the way at the bottom the draw mask is selected. For me, those are already selected, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Paying attention to this number right here of your threshold. Right now it's at 15. So when I want to delete part of the image, I'm going to click on the part of the image that I want deleted with the fuzzy select, and you can see immediately that a bright pink color overtakes the screen. I click and hold, the pink is there. When I unclick, it goes away. When I click and hold and drag my mouse down, the threshold increases. When I click and hold and drag my mouse up, the threshold decreases, and you can see that number there on the left-hand side changing. So we want a nice outline of the kitten without, if the threshold goes too high, then it bleeds into the image, and we don't want that because then that part would be deleted. So we just want a nice solid outline of the kitten, and any other parts we can come in and clean up later. So it looks like 78% looks good. So we're going to unclick, and then from here we're going to go to our keypad and hold down Command X. Once you click that, you can see that that part of the image has been deleted. So again, there'll be a little bit that you need to come over and clean up. So you do the same thing. You just click and drag down, Command X. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to call that, we're going to just say that looks great. I can come in after and clean up parts of those image. However, we have a pretty solid outline of the kitten. And from here, I can save the image and save it as a PNG and use it in other projects, or I can bring it onto a new layer, but the background of that image is now deleted. All right, that is the basic tutorial of a fuzzy select tool. I hope that it worked for you. Thank you.